Dear students, as you can see in the picture that today's topic is articles. You have already studied the topic in your previous class, but in today's session I am going to tell you in the most simplest way how you can use articles and what are the easiest ways to differentiate when to use different types of articles. So let's start. We will understand what is article first. An article is a word that is used before a noun to specify something or for general sense. हम आर्टिकल तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम पर्टिकुलरली किसी चीज़ या व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करते हैं या जनरल सेंस में साधारण तौर पर किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं. वो कोई पर्सन भी हो सकता है या कोई चीज़ भी हो सकती है. सो दिस इज़ अ स्मॉल डेफिनेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल. As you have studied in your previous classes also that there are three types of articles, a and the. Whenever we talk about general things on general topic in general sense, we use article a or an. Whenever we talk about any particular thing or we want to specify something, then we use article the. So we divide articles into two categories. First is indefinite article and second is definite article. हम इन तीन आर्टिकल्स को दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी है इनडेफिनेट कैटेगरी की, जिसमें हम आर्टिकल अ और एन को रखते हैं, और उसके बाद है डेफिनेट आर्टिकल की कैटेगरी जिसमें हम आर्टिकल द को रखते हैं. सो वी विल स्टडी आर्टिकल एन and first, then we will study article the. So let's start the first category, that is indefinite article, article n and article a. So first of all we need to understand what is sound. Whenever you speak any word, your mouth प्रोड्यूसेस साउंड. जब कभी आप किसी शब्द को या वर्ड को अपने मुख से बोलते हैं तो आपके माउथ से बहुत सारे साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. आर्टिकल्स को समझने के लिए हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम साउंड को समझें. आर्टिकल अ और एन को यूज़ करने के लिए यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट साउंड. जब कभी आप कोई वर्ड बोलेंगे आपको उस वर्ड का फर्स्ट साउंड पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट रखना है कि फर्स्ट साउंड कौन सा आपने बोला. वी विल सी आर्टिकल्स एन एंड अ वन बाय वन. वी विल अंडरस्टैंड आर्टिकल एन फर्स्ट. बिफोर वी अंडरस्टैंड, लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर. पेन, इंक पेन, इरेजर, स्केल. If you read all these words one by one, you will come to know which is the first sound that you are producing. Basis on that, I have used articles जैसे a pen, an ink pen, an eraser, a scale. You need to focus on the very first sound. Now let's start with the article an. आर्टिकल एन को समझने के लिए आई हैव मेंशन्ड सम साउंड्स ओवर हियर. लेट्स सी ऑल द साउंड्स वन बाय वन. टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर, आई हैव मेंशन्ड द साउंड इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. लेट्स रीड ऑल द साउंड्स वन बाय वन. आ, ए, ई, ओ, औ, अ, इ, ए. That's it. If you find the first sound of a word is matching with any of the given sounds, then simply you need to use article n. अगर वर्ड का फर्स्ट साउंड इन दिए गए साउंड्स में से मैच करता है, आप आर्टिकल एन यूज़ करेंगे. Although we have studied that we have vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Vowel sounds we have a, e, I, o, u. With vowel sounds we use article and. With consonant sounds we use article a. Still, there are many confusions for using article and a. That is why I have mentioned here in a different way, where without any doubt you can simply use them. आर्टिकल एन को यूज़ करने के लिए आपको इन साउंड्स को याद रखना है. अगर इन साउंड्स में से कोई एक साउंड मैच कर रही है, द फर्स्ट साउंड ऑफ एनी वर्ड, यू कैन सिंपली यूज आर्टिकल एन. We will see some examples. Let's see. So, the only thing that you need to focus is the first sound of the word. जैसे orange. Orange में first sound है o. Engineer. Engineer में first sound है e. Engineer. Apple. Apple में first sound है a. Ink pen. Ink pen में the first sound is e. R. R में first sound है a. It is not har. Har is a wrong pronunciation. It is r or our. So the first sound is a. Old man. The first sound is o. Ant. Ant में first sound है a. Umbrella. Umbrella में first sound is a. So with the help of the rules of and, we can simply add an along with all the given examples. An orange, an engineer, an apple, an ink pen, an R, an old man, an ant, an umbrella. You need to take care of one thing, that whenever you practice, you need to practice by yourself so that you can understand the topic and the content easily. Now, we will see the second article, that is a. Now we will study using article a. Apart from the previous sounds in article and, if there is any other sound in a word, we use article a. आर्टिकल एन में हमने जो साउंड्स पढ़ी है, उनके अलावा अगर कोई और ही साउंड आती है, the very first sound apart from the sounds that we have studied in the category of article n, we will simply use article a. So I am repeating again. आर्टिकल n में जो हमने साउंड्स पढ़ी है, if there is any other sound apart from those sounds, we simply use article a. Now we will see some examples. Pen, phone, scale, marker, copy, box, bag, cat. Remember, you need to focus on the very first sound of the word. If I say pen, the first sound is pe. If I say phone, the first sound is f. If I say scale, it is not scale, it is scale. The first sound is s. If I say marker, the first sound is ma. If I say copy, the first sound is ko. Some students have problem, they say copy. It is not copy. Copy कोई word नहीं होता है. It is copy. Next word is box. The sound is b. Next is bag. The first sound is ba. And the last word is cat. The first sound that I produce is cat. So you can easily identify the first sound in these words are not matching with the sounds that we have in the category of article n. So simply we will use article a. A pen, a phone, a scale, a marker, a copy, a box, a bag, a cat. And remember one thing, you need to keep practicing so that you can easily understand where do we use a and where do we use an. So these are some of the examples of articles a and an. The only thing that you need to keep in your mind is the very first sound of the word that you are speaking. If the first sound is matching with the category of sounds of an, then we can simply use article an. If the sound is different, then we can use article a. Now, the last type of article is the. Whenever we talk about any particular thing or person, जब कभी हम स्पेसिफिकली किसी चीज़ के बारे में या व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करते हैं, we simply use article the. Let's see some examples. The student I met is a singer. इसमें हम विशेष तौर पर एक स्टूडेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That is why we have used the. The sun rises in the east. I am the best. He wakes up early in the morning. India won the last match. In the last sentence, we are particularly talking about the very last match played by India. That is why we have used article the. So in this way, you can easily understand how do we use article the. विशेष तौर पर जब आप किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we use article the. So I hope that you all have understood the uses of article and the. You need to take care of one thing, especially that you need to keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you will learn about the topics, the contents that we are studying in the sessions. So, till we meet again, take care and have a very great day. Bye bye.